If you've seen Tiktrove Adsorptive Dentures advertised as a quick, no-adhesive solution for loose dentures, you're probably wondering whether this innovation is real or just another online gimmick. The product claims to fix a common frustration among denture users: unstable plates that shift or irritate the gums. Unlike adhesive creams, Tiktrove promotes a micro-adsorption grip layer that supposedly creates a natural suction effect to keep dentures in place. Using them is simple. Apply the thin cushion onto the denture, press it firmly, and the material molds slightly to improve comfort and stability. The benefits they highlight include better bite strength, reduced slipping, less gum soreness, and the ability to avoid messy pastes. Some customers report mild improvements in comfort, especially for older dentures that have lost some of their fit. However, it's important to note the limitations. This technology is not medically standardized, does not replace a professional denture adjustment, and the suction effect depends heavily on the individual's gum shape, moisture, and denture quality. Many users report that the grip weakens after a few hours or during meals, meaning the product behaves more like a temporary cushion rather than a secure fix. Dentists also warn that relying on such products can delay necessary refitting or relining procedures, which are the real long-term solutions. Compared with traditional adhesives or professionally relined dentures, Tiktrove offers convenience, but not strong or consistent stability. My final verdict: not an outright scam, but definitely oversold. It may provide short comfort, but will not solve underlying denture fit issues. For long-lasting results, proper dental adjustments remain the safest and most effective choice. Subscribe for more honest, practical product reviews.